ExecutiveCarKeys.com, we have the keys to all vehicles, and you're not going to want to miss out on this holiday offer. We're giving away 15% on everything, and the price is already so low, you can't afford to miss out.
Once you're on the website, you'll choose your year, make, and model. We'll do a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro. Then pick your key, scroll down and add it to your cart. From there, you'll be able to check out, and then you'll have the option to choose your promo code. Type in SAVE15 and you'll get that 15% off.